In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my version of a Philly cheesesteak pizza. So the ingredients I'll be using today to make this pizza is 1 homemade pizza dough. I have a video already made if you want to learn how to make your own pizza dough, or you can use something from the store. I'll be using some provolone cheese, some of this super thin sliced roast beef, a little bit of red onion, some green pepper slices, and some sliced mushrooms. So to get started, I'm going to lightly spray my pizza pan with some cooking spray. And next I'm just going to punch down my dough and put it out on the pan and pat out my pizza dough. So now that I have my pizza dough patted out, my next step is just to start putting on my toppings. So the first topping I'm going to put on is my provolone cheese slices. So the next topping I'm going to put on is my roast beef. Next, I'm going to place on my mushrooms. And next, I'm going to place on my red onion. And last but not least, now I'm going to put my green peppers on. I have all my toppings on my pizza. My oven is preheated to 425 degrees. I'm going to place this in the oven for about 10 minutes and I'll bring you all back when it's done. So my pizza is out of the oven and it's ready to be sliced up. I hope y'all give this recipe a try and I hope you enjoy it. And thank you all so much for joining me today. And until next time, guys, bye.